What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. And today, I'm going to show you how to make some easy pork fried rice. And you're already saying to yourself, Black Owl,
Sound a little nasally there today, boy. What's the matter with you? Are you sick or something?
well, I'm just a little bit under the weather. I got to be honest with you. Getting over cold, but bear with me, and we're going to make the rice that's nice. And that's the thing about this. This pork fried rice, I'm going to do mine a little different than most people do, but we ain't going to have to call Miss Swan about it. That's the big, Black Owl, you're going to get canceled today, boy. So, you making some pork fried rice. First thing you got to have to make, it ain't a pork fried rice without the egg. You put that egg in there, boy, and I'm going to tell you what, you're going to have the egg fart. So watch out tonight, whoever you're around. You're going to be rotten, boy. Now, we got to put the egg in there, so let's go ahead and put the egg in there. I'm going to put about 4 in mine. Go ahead and fry them up on each side, make it good. Now, go ahead and pull that egg out. Don't let Humpty Dumpty fall off the wall. Get it all in one and put it on the deal. Now, we're going to go ahead and put our pork in there. That pork today is that thin Porky Pig when he's in there working out. Looking good, sir. So, put that in there. So some thin sliced pork chops. That's going to make it good. It's going to give us a good texture, good flavor. So, we're going to go ahead and put that down. And to season it, just some salt and pepper and garlic. Those 3 G's. Kind of like West Side Connection out there, sir. So, go ahead and put that on top of that deal, Buster Brown. Now, we're going to add some stuff, but we're going to do that next because I want you to take everything else out that we've already cooked. Not everything else, but the stuff that we've cooked. You see what I'm saying? The eggs and the pork, take them out, slice them, dice them, make them, nice them, and put them back in that pan. Now, here's the deal, buddy boy. We're about to cook that rice, and you're saying to yourself, like, oh,
Are you getting dry rice and putting it in a thing and doing it the old-fashioned way?
well, I'm not, and you know why, buddy. I can tell you that shit's up. But hey, got some other rice today. I'll show you what I'm talking about in a minute. Put your stuff back in the pan. And now we're going to add some peas and carrots. Sit up and eat them good. And maybe you can watch Scooby-Doo when dinner's done. So, put your peas and carrots in there. I'm just using those frozen ones today. Easy enough. So, put them in there. And now, we're going to add that rice. Now, this is the Ben's original. He's not your Uncle Ben no more. He went to get a pack of cigarettes and never came back. Like, oh, you're gonna get canceled again, so put the Ben's original rice down in there. And you know, I'm not even really gonna fry it. I kind of just want to turn it on low, stir it around, get it warm, get it good. And if you want to, you can throw some soy sauce in there. It don't have to be from the Chinese food place, but if it is, hell, it don't matter none, buddy. So, go ahead and put that in there, stir it around, and then we'll be ready for a sight and a big old bite of this lovely pork fried rice tonight, buddy. So, alright, baby, the time has come. The pork fried rice is done, and I'm having the first bite for myself, so hoping this will do me right tonight, and I think it will. Scoopy, scoopy. Tasty, tasty. My stars, sir. Just as good as calling the old place down the road and saying, bring me some chow. If not better, man. I think it is better, man. It's good. Because the portions are right. Got a lot more meat, got a lot more egg, and you can flavor it to taste. It's a wonderful thing. It's a beautiful thing. And I want to thank your beautiful butt for joining me on another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like, subscribe, and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other little cooking videos right here on the YouTube channel. So, I'll see you next time. I love every one of you. Be cool out there. Stay cool. Wash your hands. Make sure you just, take care of yourself because the sickness is going around. I'm telling you. But this will hit that spot. So, we'll see you next time.